A world record that most people don't even know about. The tallest mountain on Earth is actually Mauna Kea in Hawaii. If you measure it from its base on the ocean floor to the summit, Mauna Kea stands at 10,203 meters, 1,355 meters taller than Mount Everest. At the summit sits one of the world's best astronomical observatories with 13 powerful telescopes.
Mauna Kea is an enormous shield volcano that rose from the floor of the Pacific Ocean.
It's another reminder that true greatness is often hidden from